Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, I'm going to finish up this last little plot right here. And I just put up this cattle fence. It was one of those big cattle panels and made it into an arch. And we are going to get some Jack B. Littles, some small pumpkins planted on either side in these plots so that they can travel up on this trellis and hang down. They'll be pretty and awesome. So I hope you enjoyed today's content. Clips are gonna be a time lapse of me undoing all these bags and getting them done like this one here. And that's it. Like, share, and subscribe, and then check out some of the other content when the video's over. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section, and I'll go check out some of the other content. Bigfoot out.